Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to do question 8. And we got to share our screen. Do a structure for the following. You only need one piece of data from up there. What's the Roman numeral above phosphorus? Group 5. All group 5 elements the same. 2 there, 1, 1, 1. We did the Lewis structure on the previous page, no? Twice. And it won 2s, 3s2, 3p3. Correct? Valence was 3s2, 3p3. And that's what led to that. S2, they stay together. That's what it means. And when the p's fill up, they do single first, and then they start doubling. We had a question. Same picture, except an N in the middle for nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, and antimony. SB. Silicon 2-, same number of valence electrons as what? Sulfur? Okay, I agree with you. I'm just trying to figure out if I can save time, and I already figured out I'm wasting time. Same number of valence electrons as sulfur. Valence electrons as sulfur. 6 equals VI, correct? That's a 6. And you're going to write, don't write sulfur, please. You write SI. Just because it has the same number of electrons doesn't mean it's that atom, okay? Silicon, and I need 6, so you're going to do 2 paired, and then watch, I'm going to get to 6 total, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you have to pair them. One time only, because that gets you to 6. And you're almost done. It's an ion. You need a box, thank you. And the charge outside on the top right. What is the charge? There's your full points. Nice job. These aren't hard, these ones, right? Yes. No, look in the notes where we had 2 examples beside each other and the orientation of the dots was rotated 90 degrees. Doesn't matter as long as one spot has 2, and then another spot has 2, and then a third spot has 1, and the fourth spot has 1. I consider that 4 equal spots for your dots. So we can run. Okay, and we're going to go stop share. We got a question first. Maybe it's good for a video. If it was 2+ instead of 2-, I wouldn't do that to you. You're now in the transition area. Not going there. I'm sorry, it's done. This is the answer. If it's 2+, I can't do that question. I'm not going to do that question because it's not what I'm asking. I will have only ions or atoms ending up in the P block. How's that? Or the S block, which is even easier. You get like, if you had to do, guys, how about if you had to do lithium? Lewis structure for lithium. You know, you could get real cute and say, done. My black dot is the dot. No, that's not. I don't think. It wasn't that cute. I'm sorry. There. No, please don't count punctuation as a dot. That'll drive me crazy. Okay, I shouldn't have brought it up. Okay, so if you were asked lithium, how do you know it's 1 dot? Column 1. Yeah, you want to do calcium since we're over here? 2 dots, but don't go dot, dot separate, right? Because they're in the same orbital. You got to tell me you know that. They're in the S orbital, right? It's in the S block. Both of them are, what are we, calcium? Or dot, dot. I'll put them underneath just to be difficult. There. Okay, and now we're done with that. And done with that.